Welcome to the EdbMails OST to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to PST converter lets you easily recover and export offline OST files to PST files. The software expertly handles corrupt, damaged, orphaned, and encrypted OST files while enabling direct migration to Office 365 and Live Exchange server. You can quickly recover your emails, contacts, calendar items, and more with a reliable and user-friendly process. EdbMails provides a preview of all mailbox items before export, ensuring precise data selection during the OST to PST export process. For large OST files, the PST split option allows you to create manageable file sizes. With quick and efficient conversion and migration capabilities, EdbMails simplifies OST recovery, export, and migration operations. Let's see the step-by-step procedure to recover and convert OST to PST.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select OST Recovery and Migration. Select OST to PST. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for OST file. Select the OST file. Click Open Next. Click Browse. Select the location to store the exported data. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailboxes, folders that you wish to export. Click Next to continue. Click Start Export. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get the export operation report. Now launch the Outlook application. Click File. Click Open and Export. Click Open Outlook Data File. Now open the PST file. Verify the exported items. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.